This is the vintage Coach Court bag style number 9870, and this bag was made in Costa Rica in 1999. And as you can see, it's in the colorway black with nickel hardware. This is one of the most popular vintage Coach styles, I would say, along with other styles like the Willis, the City bag, the Winnie. So yeah, it's one of the classic popular styles. So I'll go ahead and show you more of the bag itself now. So as you can see, it comes with a nice top handle, and it also comes with a detachable strap. So the strap attaches here at the sides of the bag. And it's also adjustable here by this buckle. So anyway, here's the front again. Here's the sides of the bag. And then here's the back. And it does have a back slip pocket, as you can see. And then when we open the bag, it's got more pockets. So it's got this slip pocket here under the front flap. And then it's also got this back zip pocket. So it's got 3 pockets, this front pocket, this zip pocket, and then this back pocket. So it's got those 3 options for you. And then of course the Coach Crate is back here along the back pocket. So here's a close-up photo just so you can see it better than it'll pick up on camera. So you can see that the bag is authentic, of course. So that's the Court bag in black leather and nickel hardware. This bag is listed now in our online shop. So if you were interested in looking at her further, the link will be below. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time.